Okay, I'm gonna try this Windex outside window cleaner. I was looking for something that would do this quickly, because there's always take a bucket of vinegar and water and newspaper and all of that and wash the windows. But I thought maybe there's a faster way to do it, so I scoured the YouTube videos and saw this on there. So I'm going to give this a try and see what kind of results we get from it. Okay, so here's a kitchen window, and it's pretty dirty there. So we'll be doing that. And the dining room window, and we'll be doing this one too. It's pretty dirty. And we'll get the before and after. Yeah, so I'm gonna do these back windows here. I've already done the front. I'm gonna do these back windows and see what kind of results we get. Okay, here we go. Have it hooked up and hit the rinse. There we go. Rinse. Right, then switch it over to soap. Start from the bottom up. And let it sit for 20 minutes. And see what we get. Well, it's supposed to be 20 seconds. Missed. Got a kink in our hose, so we take the kink out. Alright, get the kink out. Make sure you don't have the kinks in the hose, and make sure you get a good hose. This hose is old. So, and got that off of there. Okay, gotta rinse it off. It says after 20 seconds, so. Okay, so, looks like it did okay. I'll wait for these to dry. All right, there's the windows here. So my review of the Windex window cleaner is thumbs up. I think it certainly was a time saver, and if I want to go back and really detail the windows out, it's not going to be as big a chore. I can take just a Windex spray or whatever and a rag and wipe the window down. But as far as getting the bulk of it cleaned, it did a good job there. So anyway, that was my review, and I hope you enjoyed it, and look forward to joining me back here at my channel, and y'all take care.